Hey everyone, today we are going to learn how to make big bucks on Twitter, so stick around as I show you how. Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Affiliates Den. This is Danish and today we are going to learn how to make some good commissions on Twitter. Very simple. It's very similar to my previous video, which was about Instagram. It's pretty much the same strategy, just with a little tweak, and you're on your way to make some good commissions. Okay, what do we do? I'm going to keep this short. All you got to do is sign up with an affiliate offer or a product or a Shopify website, whatever you're promoting. Just keep that link handy and just move to Twitter. Now over here I'm going to tell you something which not many people know, that on Twitter you can't just look for topics or hashtags, and that's not the only thing that you can do with the search. You can also check this out. On search, you can type with inverted commas. I've been doing that a lot. Let's just change it a bit. How about something related to health? Type here how to lose, in inverted commas you type how to lose weight. Okay, now if you enter, now over here you're gonna see people in their post discussing about their weight loss journeys, or asking people, or asking the Twitter community how they can lose weight. Now, if your product, your affiliate program is it belongs to health and fitness niche, what you can do with it is, for instance, how to lose. Anyone know how to lose weight within like 2 weeks? My prom dress should be coming on the 15th, and yeah, girl is worried. So it has only one comment, so basically she is looking forward to have more comments with a solution to her problem. So that's what exactly we are going to do over here. Now over here, just make sure that you comment something meaningful, something relatable, something which is not which you did not copy and paste it over here. Okay, it has to be real, guys, because people at Twitter or Instagram, they're smart, and sooner or later they figure out that you're spamming. So don't spam. Answer with some knowledge and helpful material. That's what you're here to provide. Now you can for instance, over here you can type something like oh, I don't know, squats and sometimes deadlift. They really shred you up and drop the pounds. See, you're giving away some useful information here. It's not just, oh, come to my blog and I'll show you how. Come to my my website. I'll click on this link. So you cannot spam people. That's not the way to do it. All right. If you wanna know more about short workouts which really pay off, message me and I'll hook you up. Okay, now this seems like a pretty long comment, but I'm just trying to make a point here that you have to be real. You're not gonna just go ahead and paste your link over here. Now, either you can ask them to message you, or you can just keep it simple, but still not spammy. Yes, not spammy. Just keep it simple. Check out this article or our website. Where you can find some quick workouts. Alright, it's time. And then you can just paste your you can mention your affiliate link over here and just reply. You can do this 10 to 15 times a day with different accounts. To different users who are looking for the solution of their problem, and that pretty much pays off, and it has made different in my income, and that's why I wanted to share this little thing, this little trick here, which is quite beneficial, and it's gonna pay you off. It's really gonna be what's the word I'm looking for? This is something that people are doing basically, and people are making money off these comments, and you can do it too. Now, I've stressed over this number of times in my previous videos that do not go ahead and paste the direct link of an affiliate offer. Just that may bring you a commission here now and then, and it's okay. You can do it, but it's not something that I would recommend. What I suggest that you create a landing page, yes, and capture the emails, and from that landing page you can redirect them to the actual affiliate offer that you're promoting. And there are ways to do it absolutely free of cost. You don't have to pay monthly fees or sign up for some some amounts, and then pay for about $50 or $100. You don't have to do that. I mean, you can do it because they come with some extra perks and some features. But if you're starting out, you don't need to join those big names. You can just go over to Wix.com. I've created a video, and you can just go through my videos and you can find it, and how to create free websites on Wix. I've made a video on that. So that's what you do. That's what I recommend. That's a more effective way of being successful in affiliate marketing, because list building is a very essential element of affiliate marketing. So please do that if you want to be successful in affiliate marketing. Or you can, if you're happy with $100 and $200 every other day, or every 3 or 4 days in a week, that's also cool. Here, if you're happy with that, you can just paste the link directly and not have a contact list or your customer list. You can do that. But if you want reoccurring profits, please consider having a squeeze page, a landing page, where you can capture email addresses, and you can later on send them emails about the products that you want to promote of a similar niche. That works really well, and that's what makes you a successful affiliate marketer. Now, guys, if you really want to live a lifestyle of an entrepreneur and really be someone who has built an online business and make passive income out of it. Please click the links in the description box, and because those two links are my number 1 and number 2 recommendation on how to become a successful entrepreneur in the online sales and marketing world. So please do that. And before you move on to another video, kindly press that click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I release my new videos. Thank you very much. That's it for today. Bye bye.